How to allow friends to join your private server in Roblox. Open up a preferred browser and in here go ahead and search for roblox.com in the search bar. First step is to make sure you have logged into your Roblox account. Once you have logged in, now go ahead and select a game that you want to invite your friends to join. For an example, I have selected this one. Tap on the servers tab right here. Then tap on create private server if you do not have one. You can skip this part if you already have a server. Then just tap on buy now to make a server. Now let's go ahead and refresh this so that it can display the server that I just created. You can also join other server through this tab. Now once you have your server, tap on the three dot icon at the very top right there. Then you will find configure option, tap on the option as well. And here make sure that the allow joining is toggled on. If it is toggled off, your friends will not be able to join your server. And also make sure that the friends allowed option is toggled on. That is the second option displayed right here. Now once you have successfully enabled it, friend will be able to join you in your private server. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.